Hey, have you ever stopped to think about why younger women are attracted to older men? Well, it's not just about age, there's so much more behind it. In this video, I'm going to tell you 4 interesting reasons why this attraction happens so naturally. If you think it's just about money or status, you're wrong. I'll explain everything in a simple, direct, and laid-back way. So, grab the popcorn, get comfy, and let's discover what really makes these more experienced guys stand out in the game. Curious? Stay tuned. Self-confidence. Let me explain. One of the things that attract younger women the most is the self-confidence that older men have. It's that type of guy who knows who he is, what he wants, and doesn't need to beg for a woman's attention. That makes all the difference because, let's be honest, no one likes someone who seems insecure or desperate, right? Older men have usually been through a lot in life. They've learned from their experiences, and that gives them natural confidence, without trying too hard. They have that posture of knowing their worth. They don't need validation from anyone, especially not from a woman. And you know what's even better? This confidence isn't just talk. It comes from the daily effort they put into their goals, work, and personal life. This makes them feel good about themselves, and of course, that shows. So, when a younger woman notices a guy like this, she immediately feels that he's different. It's not just about the age, but about his posture. And that, my friend, is magnetic. Are you ready? Because this point here is powerful: financial stability. And oh, let me warn you, it's not that women are just interested in money or only think about it, but this does catch their attention, and it makes sense. Let me explain why. Older men, most of the time, have already gone through those phases of working hard to stabilize themselves. They've found their footing professionally, have a solid career or even their own business, a good salary, investments, or properties. All of this gives them a sense of security. It's like, we're good, and I can help you live better, without too many struggles. Now, compare this to the reality of many younger men. It's not their fault, it's just that they're still starting out. Many are still in low-paying jobs, or figuring out what they want to do in life. This can create insecurity about the future, both for them and for those around them. For a woman, especially a younger one, seeing someone with a more organized life and the ability to offer a bit more stability is very attractive. It's not that she wants to depend on him or be financially supported, but it's reassuring to know she's with someone who won't add more stress or uncertainties to her life. Deep down, it's about sharing moments with someone who is at a point in life where they can provide peace, cool experiences, and even open doors to grow together. And, let's face it, who wouldn't be attracted to that? It's not just about money, it's about the energy of having control over your own life and being in a position to contribute to someone else's life. This, my friend, is a huge differentiator. Now, let's talk about a game changer: emotional intelligence. And look, this makes an older man stand out a lot in the eyes of younger women. Do you know why? Because they know how to deal with their own emotions and with others. That's life experience, my friend. Think about it, a woman, especially a younger one, can be full of emotions, and that's okay, it's part of it. But in this scenario, they want someone who brings balance, not someone who makes the situation worse. An older man has usually learned to stay calm, not let emotional explosions take over, and most importantly, be a support system. He doesn't get lost trying to understand what she's feeling, nor does he let her emotions destabilize him. That creates immense security. It's like that guy who knows when to speak, when to listen, and how to solve the problem without drama. He doesn't get into the pride game or the oversweetening. He knows the balance. Now, look at the other side. Many younger guys are still trying to figure themselves out. They can't even handle their own emotions, let alone hers. It ends up being a festival of insecurity and immaturity that only wears down the relationship. So, when a woman finds an older man who has this emotional calm, who knows how to be firm and nurturing at the same time, she feels safe. He's the type of guy who knows when to calm her down, when to motivate, and when to just be there without making a fuss. And that, my friend, is worth more than any nice speech. It's about showing maturity in practice. Now, let me tell you about something that really makes a difference: wisdom. And I'm not just talking about material things like money or stuff like that. An older man brings something much more valuable, which is the wisdom gained over the years. He has a broader view of the world, and that's exactly what attracts younger women. Think about it. Successful women who have their financial life mostly sorted out aren't looking for someone to support them or fix their financial problems. What they want is someone who can add value in another way, with knowledge and experience. An older man has that way of understanding situations better, making more accurate decisions, and knowing how to deal with life's ups and downs. He's been through many things and learned from his mistakes, so when he gives advice or shares an opinion, it's based on real experience, not just assumptions. Now, look at the other side. Many women, especially those looking for more personal and professional success, seek an older partner because they know they'll learn a lot from him. His wisdom can help her achieve her own goals faster and more efficiently. It's not about the guy being the hero who saves her, it's about him being a strategic partner, someone who knows how to deal with challenges, whether in personal life or work. And let's face it, that's something many younger men don't have yet, because they're still learning those lessons. So, what really attracts women to older men isn't just what they have materially, but how they think and act based on what they've lived through. They have a unique ability to look at problems in a more rational and less impulsive way. In a relationship, it's like having someone who already knows the way, who won't be swayed by momentary emotions and will know where to invest their time and energy. This type of partner ends up accelerating both people's growth and success. In short, when a woman finds an older man with wisdom, she's not just gaining a partner, but a constant source of learning. And this wisdom can be the key to living a more balanced life, achieving her goals faster, and avoiding many mistakes along the way. And man, that's really valuable. Now, let me tell you one reason that really makes all the difference and is very important: the ability to care and protect. Older men, because they've lived a lot and gone through many experiences, tend to be much more attentive and sensitive to the needs of those around them, especially in a relationship. They know how to be an emotional support, give the right kind of support when needed, and create a safe environment for their partner. This is something that younger women really look for in a man, and it's not just about being a hero in their lives, but about being that pillar of stability and support during tough times or even in the little challenges of everyday life. What makes this even more powerful is that these older men aren't in a hurry. They know how to deal with life's ups and downs, and because of this experience, they can be calmer and more relaxed in stressful situations. They won't create more confusion or react impulsively. Instead, they'll act rationally, taking care of their partner with patience and dedication. They know when to give space, when to hug, when to give advice, and when to just listen, without rushing to fix everything at once. They're willing to care about their partner's emotional well-being without pressuring her or asking for more than she can give. This ability to be that point of balance and care is something that many younger men are still learning. They may often get lost in their own emotions, insecurities, and challenges, which can make the relationship more unstable. On the other hand, the older man, having gone through these phases and learned from them, becomes someone more mature, who understands the importance of taking care of a partner without letting emotions overload the relationship. He knows how to be firm, but also gentle when necessary, balancing protection with the freedom and space his partner needs to grow as well. For a younger woman, this care and protection means a lot. It's not just about having someone by her side financially or in terms of status, but about having a partner who makes her feel safe, cared for, and heard. That's very attractive because it creates a bond of trust and respect, where she knows she can count on him, and more than that, that he'll be there for her, without making unnecessary demands. She feels that, with him, she can be herself, without masks or insecurities. And the most interesting thing is that this protection and care aren't seen as suffocating. On the contrary, it's a way of showing that he values the relationship and is ready to provide the emotional stability that a young woman often needs in a relationship. When a woman realizes that the man she's with is capable of being this constant, safe support, she feels even more attracted to him. He's not just a life partner, but someone who can help her grow emotionally and, at the same time, be the rock she can lean on. This, my friend, is an extremely powerful reason because it goes beyond the superficial. It's about building a solid foundation of trust and affection where both feel valued, supported, and respected, without the need for games or insecurities. And, of course, it makes the relationship much stronger and healthier, something any young woman will look for in an older partner. There are many other reasons why younger women are attracted to older men, and the ones I've shared with you are just the tip of the iceberg. The truth is, when it comes to relationships, experience and maturity make all the difference, and that reflects in many other qualities that older men offer. If you liked the reasons so far, don't waste time. Leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on everything. And of course, if you want to know more about these reasons and discover other traits that make women feel attracted to them, comment below with the phrase "more reasons." That way, I'll come back with more and tell you everything.